Okay, so I explained having the body and the body closing tag. Then we've also explained the H1, we've explained the IMG, and I was also saying that we can walk around. Hold on, please. I said we can walk around having. Okay, I was trying to explain on our browser where some websites are actually having Gucci and the likes. They are having .html at the back of it.
I've seen them like that.
Okay, okay. So now let's move on to creating our nav bar. Like I explained yesterday that we're going to create our nav bar. Looking at this website that I showed you guys yesterday. I think cooperative. Yes, I showed you guys this yesterday. So you can even see this one still has .html, index.html. Though this is like a local host because it has not gone on air. This is just what I have on my browser. I mean on my page for now. So now looking at this website, this is what we call the nav bar. That's the top nav, I mean. Yeah, it's also called the nav bar. It's the upper part of it. Now there are ways you can tweak your code. You can actually use Bootstrap to get a result of your nav bar, and you can do a pure code. Today I'll be showing you how to use Bootstrap. Then tomorrow we'll be going on to showing you how to use normal code line, like raw code that you built yourself.
Ma, tomorrow there's no class. Oh. Abi?
Sorry, on Monday I'll be showing you guys how to work with that. So now on this place I'll just go to, sorry, I need to take this out. And okay, on my new tab, just click on Bootstrap. That's the name, it's called Bootstrap. Now this is also like is a coding hub where you get several codes that you can copy from and paste on your wall. So once you paste it, you need to give reference to them. That's by copying their own code line. So whenever you come on Bootstrap here, what you need to do is go, like, scroll down to copy their CDN so it can reflect on your own browser. So you can copy whichever one you intend to copy. But let's go home so we can pick, like I clicked on home. So now we have, okay, trying to copy all their code lines. But okay, probably let's go to their documentations first because I want us to copy the whole of it. Okay, yes, here we have it. So on their documentations, you need to copy their code for CSS, for their JS. That's when you are using your JavaScript. Then you should also copy for, okay, yeah, and then you should copy their
Is it
JPOPA.
necessary to copy their codes?
If you want to, yes. If you don't want to, all well and good. But coders at times look for a way to tweak code. There are several hubs where we get our code from if we don't want to write our code directly by ourselves. Of course, there are times you need to tweak code. So you can go to Bootstrap, then we have Stackflow and other ones that you can always go to. They are like a community where you can learn from. Some coders have done what you want to start doing. So you can go to those society, check what they do. We have W3 school too. So you can learn from W3 school, you can learn from Bootstrap, you can pick from Stack Overflow, you can pick from, there are a whole lot of them that you can pick from to learn. So if you want to do like a quick layout that you don't want to stress yourself out, you just want to quickly do a quick website, you can come to Bootstrap. Bootstrap actually has different features that you can use. Okay, I want to pick something from here. Now, the first thing I want to pick is how to copy with my CSS. Okay, I have copy here. So I'm just going to copy. Then I go back to my text editor. Then I paste it here after my meta chart set before the title, where you can paste it after the title too. But most times I like a neat code. So I like all my links being together than having them scattered abroad. So now I copied for CS already. Then now I move to my jQuery or my Java. This I copy to. Most times I like copying my Java at the after the body. Well, everybody have reasons for doing their things. You can decide to put it inside your body, like at the end note of your body, and you can decide to put it here. Well, everybody has their own idea around putting it before the body or after the body. My own idea is I feel like I am putting more pressure on the body when I have scripts written inside the body. So most times I like putting it underneath, because I have this feeling of my code will be able to run smoothly when it is underneath than when it is inside the body, because there's still a whole lot I'm going to place inside my body. So why do I want to put my JavaScript body inside the body? So that is why I like putting scripts underneath here. But if you are running your own code, of course you can put your script inside or outside. So like, let's get started now. So we have done this and we have picked for CS2. So it means we've given reference to Bootstrap that we pick this from there. Now we are going to pick our navbar. That's what I said we're working on. We're going to work on navbar. So once you just click on navbar here, now we have navbar. So we have a number of navbar showing there. This is one navbar. This is one here. We have examples and their code. This is another navbar. This is another navbar having an icon on it. You can choose your own icon. Okay, then you can also have this navbar. So let's assume I'm picking this navbar. I copy it here to my code, then I take it to my body and I just paste it there. Let's assume I say Control S. Then I want to go and view it on my I want to view what I've done so far. I didn't edit anything. I could just go to coding, then I pick Sandy, then I try to see what I have on Sandy. Can you see I have the same thing? I have navbar, home, features, pricing, and disabled. So these are some of the benefits of having
Okay,
Bootstrap.
so from copying, you can just change it
Of
to your
course,
own
if
thing.
you change, yes, you can change it. Enjoy exploring on that page. You can just change. You can even add color. You can do whatever you want to do on it. So instead of having to start all over and copying the code